everyone, I'm Deepthi and welcome back to my channel. Well, it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any content, but I'll make sure that I'll be regular from now on. There has been some things happening with me, new things. Firstly, I moved to Canada, then it took me some time to adjust and all that, but now I am ready to get started with my channel, and so here we go. So this video, it's basically about beauty products. So what happened in this quarantine, in this lockdown, uh, we are kind of bored or something, whatever. So I just encountered a site that's Ipsy, and I thought, why not try it. So Ipsy, it's kind of a subscription organization, like in which you will get monthly products, or you can make it like once in 3 months kind of thing. So what happens like that, you'll get a bag and you'll get 5 beauty products in that, and you have a choice of choosing one product of your own, or like of your choice, but the 4 will be like kind of surprise for you. So it will cost you around 22 Canadian dollars, and so I'll show you my bag which I ordered. It is Ipsy April bag, April glam bag, which they say it. So it's the bag which I got, and in this I got 5 products. So I'll show you those products, and I think it's worth trying, because within that budget, in like $22, you will get a lot of products, and it's of good company and definitely worth it. So this is the first thing which I got. It is a nail paint, and it's one of the best which I got till now. First of all, I'm not an expert in this, but I want to try, and so this is what I got first, and it's really nice. Some of like purplish color it has. And then it's the second product which I got. It's a shampoo, but it's a scrub with sea salt shampoo, Christian Robin, and it's really good. I have been trying it from past 2 weeks, and it's really good. Like, you have to use it on your scalp, and it's basically for those who have oily scalp, and it really nourishes your hair. So apart from that, I have a moisturizer. Well, this is one of my own choice. I wanted this, so I picked this one. It's a glossier moisturizer, and it's really nice. It really makes your skin soft, so you can try it. And I have even checked the prices for all these products. Trust me, it's way more than what you get in this price. You can say like in $22 you get things worth $40, and sometimes even more. It depends on that monthly bag, but it's my first time, and when I'll get the next bag, I'll surely make a video on that as well. And this is the other thing which I got. It is a liner, a Sugar liner. Sugar, it's really a good company. You can even try lipsticks of Sugar. It's really good. And the last thing which I got is this. It's a space case. Oh my god, I haven't used it yet, but it's a space case cosmetics. Like, you can use it on your skin whenever you want to go outside, or you like just feel like using blush, you just want something on your skin, and it's really good. So what happens in Ipsy, that before ordering all these, so they create a profile. In your profile, you will add your skin tone, kind of hair, kind of products you like, kind of the companies you like. So based on your profile, they pick the products which is best for you. So these are the 5 products which I got, and I really liked all of them. So I really encourage you guys to subscribe, or to just try another subscription organization. But Ipsy is one of the best, because I have even searched others, but I really liked it. So if you guys like it, I am sharing the link below. You guys can try it on your own and it's really worth it. So that's all for today, guys, but I'll make sure I'll make content every week, I guess. Yeah, and so yeah, stay tuned. If you like this video, please give me comments, and if you want a video on another content, another subject, please do write in the comments.